Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Honing Technologies. We are here today to talk about vapor honing and how it's perfect for getting into those tight crevices and places. As you can see, we've blasted half of this part. There is intricate webbing down inside of here that is full of gunk, and cleaning that out does take something that will actually get down in there and remove that without damaging the part. To get your part back to a pristine look and back the way it looked when it came out of the factory, vapor honing is the best product for that. It actually flows into these areas and flows back out. So once you're done blasting, you can actually rinse the part off. You can use a dip tank and dip it in and slosh it around and remove all the media that's in there. But it does give you that clean that you can't get from little bitty hand tools down in here trying to clean for hours, trying to clean that out. If you have any questions about cleaning products or anything related to vapor honing, please give us a call. Phone number here is 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.